Secondly, I was reading an article this morning and it was about the IRS being delayed. So a lot of people, even if you owe the IRS, there's a problem with them being slow filing these tax returns. If you're getting a refund, you definitely know there's a problem with the IRS taking their time to process tax returns. Good morning and welcome to Business Convos and Coffee. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Spiceda Jackson. I am the CEO and founder of X Financial Inc. We are best known in the marketplace as Tax Plus 365, a CPA-powered accounting firm that works with small business owners and investors in the perpetual profit pathway, helping you guys keep an eye on your business, establish a good foundation, a good fit foundation. And when I say fit, I mean good F-I-T, good financials, incorporation, and tax returns that keep profits in your business so that you too can profit and grow rich, just like the Bezos and Warren Buffetts of the world. So a lot of people, even if you owe the IRS, there's a problem with them being slow filing these tax returns. Well, first of all, if you owe the IRS and they haven't processed your return from 2020 or any other year that you've sent in so far, you will not be able to do an installment agreement or an offering compromise. It delays the process because you appear to be out of compliance and you are. Now, it's self-explanatory if they're running slow and you just not getting your refund. But one of the things I wanted to mention is a lot of people have sent in returns and you haven't received a response from the IRS. What do you ask, what do I do, Spiceda? Well, if you send in your return and you haven't gotten a response from the IRS, because I know they're really hard to find, first of all, go onto the website, look up where's my refund, and see if your taxes have been processed. If you can't find your tax return there, call the person who prepared your taxes. If you did your taxes online, just confirm that the return was accepted by the IRS. If it was accepted by the IRS, you're in good shape. I'm gonna tell you here, your accountant does not know. Once they hit that button and get the acknowledgement receipt back, after your tax return is submitted, it's out of your accountant's hand. It's now in the IRS's hands. So one of the other things I've noticed that's going on is a lot of people are getting delayed in the process simply because the IRS has flagged some number in the millions of tax returns for fraud. Why? I don't know. I think they're trying to buy themselves more time, which is my personal off-the-cuff opinion, but they've slowed down, returns are being flagged, and what happens is you're going to get a letter from the IRS, and it's going to say, hey, we need you to confirm that you actually filed this tax return. People, you got to do it. If you ignore the letter, then you're not going to get your refund. Okay, if you ignore the letter and you're not getting a refund anyway, your tax return won't get processed. So, and if your tax return isn't getting processed because you're trying to get an installment agreement or do an offering compromise, you're delaying the process. So, no, you're not being audited. No, nothing funky is going on with your return. No, your accountant didn't do something strange. It's just, there's an article, I posted it on our Tax Plus 365 business page. There's an article that I posted this morning that the IRS, I already knew what was going on because I have so many clients calling me about it. But go to our Tax Plus 365 Facebook page. You'll see the article that I posted this morning that basically, and I gave you guys 5 tips of what to do, if there's a delay. But if you get this letter, make sure that you respond to the letter. You just got to call them and confirm some information. In some cases, you actually have to go to the office and confirm before they will process the return. All right. That's what I have for you guys. If y'all are watching this on the replay, please hit #replay. If y'all got any questions for me live, good morning. Good morning, Great Beyond 28. That's my husband. I'm wearing actually our shirt today because I'll be going to Traffic Sales and Profit TSP Live today. It's exciting, but I decided to wear some of our gear. Y'all told me if y'all like it. It says, you can see it says Great Beyond 28. You can get that at our website, Great Beyond 28 shop, or I think also the greatbeyond28.com website leads there. But anyway, y'all have a great day, and until I talk to y'all next time, don't forget to move your profit in the right direction. And that's up. I love y'all. Bye. I got a ski daddle.